Welcome to my channel and my dirty closet. It looks like a hot mess in here, literally. Happy 4th of July, guys. Hope you guys have an amazing day. It's beautiful outside. I'm really excited about that. But today, my husband and I are gonna do something a little different than we normally do. Usually we hang out with some family and chill. But I'm like, you know what? We're gonna make today special because it is our anniversary. We make 12 years today, and I thought, you know what? We need to elevate that, okay? We need to elevate the anniversary. To me, yes, we're married, but to me, this day is still special. I still think it deserves a celebration. So we're going somewhere I've never gone before. He found this on Facebook and I thought, oh my gosh, this would be so cute. We're still celebrating 4th of July too because they're gonna do fireworks there and it's kind of a 4th of July special, but it's like a little date night, date day, whatever the case might be, on our anniversary. So let's get ready to go do these. So I'm thinking of wearing this shirt with these shorts and these shoes. Please don't come for me. Like, my sense of fashion is literally not it. See, this is cute. My favorite part about this shirt, deodorant stains. I think it really pulls the outfit together. I don't have any of those like cupcakes, whatever they call them, like little nipple padding thingies. Truthfully, it's gonna be hot. I couldn't care less. Men have nipples, so get over yourself, people. I'm a big fan of color combinations. I don't really care necessarily like if it matches in the sense like this is a pattern, that's a pattern. No, if the colors look good together, I'm happy. And this looks good together. So let's go finish. I'm out of breath just getting together. I feel like I need a second. I'm not gonna put my hair up now, but I'm gonna use this clip that I got because I think it's really cute. Do I put a bandana on? Okay, I need your help. So do I put yellow on to kind of match the shoes a little bit, even though this is not the same yellow? Do I put brown? Because this one's my favorite one. Like, it has some black, so it'll match nicely. I feel like it's another nice touch, you know? Or do I just put black? Like, which one? I'm gonna do the freaking brown. Okay, so this is the bandana. If you don't like it, keep it to yourself. I don't care. This is what we got to work with my van. I don't accessorize very much other than my wedding ring and my ring that my husband got me when we were like first starting out. And now, let's go. Bless you, honey.
All this audio's gonna catch is me huffing and puffing, dude.
Peach lemonade? I definitely want one of those. I don't know, what do you want to eat though? Or do you want, I want lemonade from over there.
Okay.
Waters?
I make content.
Oh, really nice to meet you. What is your Instagram?
Melanie Sue _ Melanie Sue with 2 E's.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
If you have any questions, let us know.
All right, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Or peach lemonade. Oh my god, it's so good. 10 out of 10. I love this. Recommend it. We just got here and we got hungry, so we're eating now. He's getting empanadas, which I'm wondering if you could hear him.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Mayo ketchup or no?
Yep.
That's not mayo ketchup.
It is.
It's too dark. Looks like.
It is more.
Oh, good.
Huh?
What's this made from?
Or the empanada is beef and cheese.
Beef and cheese. Babe, you're not loving me. You're not doing.
I'm sorry.
No, that wasn't cute.
If I want to flip the camera on a dime, how do I do that?
You just flip it right there. Learning how to use the camera. I'm so proud of you.
Wow.
I'm gonna go in there, use the bathroom. It's gonna be on it. You're my cameraman.
Oh, so we're gonna hang your trinkle?
Yeah, probably. Wow, these porta potties smell pretty. Let me not lose that in the toilet. If you can hear me, hello. Oh God. They smell pretty good for being porta potties.
What up, YouTube? It's your boy. That man's Cool Forest.
Ma'am, step away from the sign. That's a nice spot for some really good pictures.
Photographer Melanie.
Attempting.
Yo, can I zoom in and zoom out on this thing?
You can, but you have to click the side.
All right, that's too much work.
You're never gonna be a content creator with that attitude.
I mean, I don't know what you're talking about, Willis.
I should get a little thing for this actually, right? A lanyard thingy, right?
Sure. Should I put my hand in this? Or not my hand. Through this, not in this.
Through what?
The hand holder stuff.
I don't know if you'll be able to reach it. Like it'll just like extend out. Oh my God, these trees are so pretty.
Oh, look at the trees, they're so pretty. You're just looking at my face, but that's okay.
Your face isn't that pretty. Oh my gosh, babe, go sit over there. I'll take a picture of you.
Where am I sitting?
Put the thing on here. The camera. I think this side, yeah. Wait, we have to take a picture. I don't know, what do you want to do? Ugh. I gotta take that off. Let's try this again. Oh. Stop recording me. Stop recording me.
Go higher. Yeah.
This is where I want a picture.
Do you ever have a dream? No, I don't like that angle.
Lewis.
I don't like that angle, girl. Let me go on the incline because you look taller than me.
That's the point. Nah.
In that picture, bro.
Hold up, I'm trying to do a setup here. Hold up.
She's not taller than me, guys. I'm gonna stand back so you know the distance. Hold on.
Okay, yeah, perfect. Right
See?
there, right there's good.
Smarticle particles. You had to put it longer.
I know, I didn't want to change it. It's still 3, 2, 1. What do you mean?
We're gonna be here all day, people.
Well, get ready, get in posing position. Ready?
I don't know how good that is.
I don't know if the camera followed me too. Let me see. I don't know why it's not changing. Ooh, it's cutting it close because the camera's so low. All the stuff. Hold on. Let me.
You didn't even put it so
Wait,
now we don't know if
no.
you own it.
It's 10 seconds like that. Great.
It was probably way too tall.
Let's see.
It cut us out completely, didn't it? Yeah. It just caught a whole bunch of my gut.
All right, let me see.
You better put all these pictures in there and show how terrible they are.
Ready, I'm gonna click on you so I can try to stay on focus. All right, let's go. That only took like 7 hours.
Sorry for all the huffing and puffing. Your boy's out of shape.
I think we're both huffing and puffing. I have a lemonade.
You have a lemonade in your hand, ma'am. Stop playing
But
games.
that's the special bomb pop lemonade. Oh yeah. Ooh, that's beautiful content over there.
Alright, well, guess we're going this
Ooh,
way.
look at that plane up there.
She kept pushing me.
Keep it.
Not cut out for this.
Learn. You said you want to make content too, right?
I can make content on the motorcycle.
No. No.
Yeah.
Okay, but you still have to learn.
Yeah, but I'll talk and I'm just riding, bro. I don't gotta be walking. My lazy ass ain't made for
Okay,
walking.
so you're not made for the content part. You're just
This
not made
dude
for,
ain't made for walking.
physical activities.
And that's just what they'll do. Something, something, something. I just want to go to bed. Oh, this thing is like hella sideways.
Oh, straighten it. Just double tap it twice, like this. Like this if you need to. There you go.
Oh, I don't know how to use this, John, man.
You want to take a picture of me here?
Sure, we can try to take a picture. Content. I'm that dude.
You?
Babe, look at the pig.
Oh.
Let's do the pig first.
Okay. That's my sister. Hi, Emmy.
That's crazy. That's crazy work.
Oh, Emmy, get your teeth fixed. Look at the. Oh, the tail. Don't touch it though. Say, what are their names again?
We have Emilio. It turns out to be maybe an Amelia. Who knows?
I'll take
Then there's El Chapo.
Chavo.
And then that's Jabroni.
I'll
Apparently
just
this is Emily Ann.
Yeah. You can't see it right now, but.
Emily Ann the hog.
That's really cool.
That's very neat.
Yes, it is. And if it were being printed, I would have never known. That's cool. Go do it. Ooh. Those are nice. Are those also 3D printed?
Oh yeah, the
Oh,
entire
that's
thing.
so
And they're
freaking
like
cool.
iridescent.
Yeah.
Oh, that's sick.
That is really cool.
Side is like an orangish red, same kind of.
That's awesome.
I don't print very much in like flat color.
Yeah. That's awesome.
It is very nice.
Yeah, they all have like that iridescence on
Yeah.
them. That's really cool. That
Love
heart
that.
is sick.
I was just looking at that. Yeah, I think that's really cool. That's awesome.
Cut, every layer is cut individually and it's hand painted and put together. All the layer pieces are like that.
Sheesh.
This was 3D printed in multiple layers and they put together.
Play Connect 4.
No, I don't want to play Connect 4. I want to play cornhole.
Yeah, because you know I'll school you.
I'm
All
red. Oh,
Alright, fool. About to get schooled. I'll even let you go first.
whatever, Lewis.
You punk. You just could have won.
No, I didn't see it. That's okay. I won. He said he was
know.
going to school me, but I won. I won. You mad. But what was that, babe? You said you were going to school me?
Yeah, let her win, guys.
Yeah.
It's anniversary.
Yeah.
I had to let her
okay.
win.
No.
Make her feel good.
He's trash. I won.
Alright.
Stop trying to redeem yourself. That's it. We're done. We're going to do what I
Yeah,
want.
because
now.
you know I'll school you too.
Just like he schooled me in Connect 4. Whoa, let's get the pack right here.
Oh, look, babe. Get your mom one of those.
What? Oh. Mom, do you want one of these? Good morning. I am tired. I feel like I ran a marathon, but it's the next day. Clearly, I said good morning. I think it's safe to say that my husband and I had so much fun yesterday. It was a beautiful day, thank God. It was hot, but it wasn't like overwhelming hot. We were able to enjoy like the park and all of the like festivities that it had. Absolutely 10 out of 10. The fireworks were absolutely amazing. I think I've never been that close to fireworks like ever in my life, and it was so close. I had to like look upwards. It was just beautiful. But with that being said, I hope this chaotic video was entertaining to some extent for you guys. We don't get the chance to have this much fun, and when we do, I really love to just vlog it authentically instead of having a plan as to what I'm doing. An amazing way to end our 12-year anniversary. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned for future adventures. Bye.